Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add text in background image in Canva. It's quite simple and direct, so let's get going. So first, go to Canva, then let's just click on this presentation template, then just drag your image here. After that, go to the left panel and click on Apps. Then on the search bar, search for Font Frame. Then just click this one. Then here you can simply choose a file or use selected image. So let's just select the image we have here and then click on Use Selected Image. Then as you can see, the image automatically gets into the text. So you can adjust the scale here if you want it bigger or smaller. You can also change the position of the image in the text. Also, you can change the text here. Just scroll down a little. So let's just type in Sea World. Now, if we click on Settings, we have other options here. So we can change the font if we want, as well as the alignment. You may adjust the outline thickness. Same with the letter and line spacing. Once you're satisfied, you can just click on Add to Design. Then let's just delete the original photo here. Then you can change the outline color and thickness here. Just add a little more of your creativity and that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.